Alright everyone, this is Gabriel with a fake smile. He's 5 years old and he's going to solve a Rubik's Cube for us. It took him about 3 weeks to solve it the first time with a little bit of help, and he's been practicing and getting his times down. So we have one completely random and mixed up Rubik's Cube. Go ahead and decide how you're going to start, Gabriel. Tell us when you're ready.
Ready.
Okay, put it down and I'll start the time as soon as you grab it. Base of concentration.
No.
1 minute and 45 seconds.
Oh, wow.
Not bad, not bad. All right, Gabriel, what do you say to everyone?